Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today guys I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys screen rotate problem how to fix. Friends, you have screen rotate problem, your phone screen rotate automatic. So friends, how to fix screen rotate problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you can see your mobile screen show this interface screen rotate automatic setting. So open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone accessibility setting. So friends, where is accessibility setting in Infinix mobile? Friends, you can use accessibility setting in your special function setting. After special function setting friends, open your phone accessibility setting and scroll. And friends, you can check a screen rotate setting. So friends, right click here and guys your screen rotate problem will solve. Friends, you can on any app you can check here screen will not rotate automatic. So like that friends, we can fix screen rotate problem in Infinix mobile. And friends, again if you click here, so friends your screen will rotate automatic. If you click here, so friends your screen will rotate automatic. So friends, you can check again your phone screen show this interface. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, now open your phone display brightness setting. After display brightness setting friends, open your phone auto rotate setting, and friends auto rotate setting is on, so turn off auto rotate. After turn off auto rotate, your problem will solve. Friends, you can see screen will not rotate automatic. So like that friends, you can solve screen rotate problem from your phone accessibility setting and display setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.